In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to log out from your Wix account. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, and by the end of this tutorial, you should be able to execute it flawlessly. Here we go. Picture yourself being already logged into your Wix account. You can see your site's dashboard or a list of websites you have built with this account. Now, cast your view to the top right corner of your screen. Here, your profile image or icon should be showing. You need to click on this profile icon. Upon clicking, you will notice a drop-down menu open. From this drop-down menu, you need to select Logout. The Logout option is usually positioned somewhere towards the bottom of this drop-down list. By clicking on it, you will be logged out from your present device. Fairly simple, isn't it? However, there might be instances where you want to log out of all the devices that you have previously used to log into this same Wix account. Let's say you used your friend's laptop once to quickly make changes but left without logging out. Or you used a public computer. In those cases, there's a slightly different process to follow to ensure your account's security. To log out from all devices, first, you have to follow the same steps as described above to reach your profile drop-down menu. But this time, instead of selecting Log Out, you need to navigate to Account Settings. Or, if there is the option for Login Activity, go there. Once you are in the Account Settings or in the Login Activity section, you will find a segment that reads Login Activity. Click on this particular option and it will provide you with more options, among which there would be one that says Log Out from all devices. Click on this option and instantly you will be logged out from all the devices where you were logged into your Wix account with. As a safety measure, you can also choose to change your password here, as changing your password will also automatically log you out of all devices within 15 minutes or so. And there we go. So these are your step-by-step instructions on how to log out from your Wix account and ensure your online security. Enjoy your Wix experience safely and securely.